Hi friends, I am Rajnikant. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Sumant Digital English Tutorial Videos. Dear guys, I am going to upload 4 remaining long answer type questions. So let's begin with the question 4. The grandmother herself was not formally educated but was serious about the author's education. How does the text support this? Now its answer. The grandmother was quite serious about the author's education. She woke him up in the morning and got him ready for school. She washed his wooden slate. She plastered it with yellow chalk. She tied his earthen ink pot and reed pen into a bundle. She took him to school. He studied in the school. She waited for him in the temple reading scriptures. In the city, the author went to an English school in a motor bus. When he came back, she would ask him what the teacher had taught him. She could not help him with his lessons. She did not believe in the things taught at English school. She was distressed to learn that her grandson was being taught music. She considered it unfit for the gentle folk. Now question 5. Gradually the author and the grandmother saw less of each other and their friendship was broken. Was this distancing in the relationship deliberate or due to demand of situation? Dear guys, its answer. During his boyhood, the grandmother was a part of his life. He was completely dependent on her. The turning point in their friendship came when they went to city. Now he went to school by bus. She no longer accompanied him. As the years rolled by, they saw less of each other. For some time, she continued to wake him up and got him ready for school. When he came back, she would ask him what the teachers had taught. She did not believe in the things that were taught at school. She was distressed that there was no teaching about God and the scriptures. She felt offended that music was also being taught. She expressed her disapproval silently. After this, she rarely talked to him. When he went to university, he was given a room of his own. The common link of friendship was snapped. Now she spent most of her time at the spinning wheel. Thus, we find that the distancing in the relationship was due to demand of situation. The graph of life never follows a straight line. Question 6. The word portrait generally means a painting, a drawing, or a photograph, but here it implies a representation or impression of someone in language. Write a pen picture of your own grandparents describing the qualities you admire and appreciate most. Now its answer. I am lucky that my grandparents are still alive. They live in our native village. My grandfather is about 70. My grandmother is about 65. My grandfather served in the army before he retired as a colonel 20 years ago. He is still active and smart. He has strong willpower and manliness in the way he carries himself. He is fond of walking and jogging. He looks after the family farm and briefs the workers every morning. In the evening, he asks each of them to report the progress and work done. He believes in trusting people. Even then, he has some surprise checks. My grandmother is a bit fat and small. She is slow moving. She is deeply religious. She visits the temple every morning. She supervises the household works and activities. She helps the poor and the needy. She is kind, generous, and hospitable. My grandparents visit us in the city on important days such as birthday or marriage anniversary, etc. We spend a part of our holiday with them. Their company is blessing. Dear guys, now question number 7. Imagine that you are Khushwant Singh. Record the changes that came in your relationship when your grandmother as you grew up from kid to university student. Dear guys, its answer. During my boyhood days, I lived with my grandmother in the village. She used to wake me up in the morning and prepared me for school. She accompanied me to school. A turning point came in our friendship when my parents sent for us in the city. Now I went to an English school in a motor bus. I was taught English, science, and music. She could not help me in my studies. She hated science, music, and Western education. We still shared the same room but talked less and less. When I joined the university, I was given a separate room and our common link of closeness was finally snapped. So dear guys, hope you must have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.